For many families, pets are like children. So what happens to the animal if a couple calls it quits? A lawmaker is hoping to make the separation process a little easier. The proposed bill aims to protect the well-being of the pet while its owners are going through a divorce or annulment. So how would it work? Elisa Arevalo got answers. Elisa?
Joe, State Representative Cindy Evans tells me she's hoping to clear the gray area that so many couples with pets find themselves in. It's something she's experienced firsthand.
People love their animals, and they're like children.
I have had a few clients that decided to get a dog together. It wasn't one person's or the other's, and they did split up.
And emotions can take over when a couple goes their separate ways.
Sometimes people just react from an emotional base instead of being very common sense, and that animal could be a way to hurt someone.
It's a tough scenario that State Representative Cindy Evans hopes to give clarity to.
I relate to that because I went through a separation and we had 2 dogs, and it was unpleasant to have that conversation.
You've heard of spousal support, but what about pet support? Well, if this bill is passed, a judge could order a spouse to help pay for any pet-related expenses until proceedings are done.
I think what we're trying to say in law is there is a responsibility and that the animal needs to be taken care of.
The measure would also allow a judge to decide if an animal should be shared until a divorce is finalized. Animal behaviorist Wendy Ma tells me she's seen it too. She says the proposal is long overdue.
Pets have been elevated from just property to now they really are part of the family. If both want some custody over the pet, that both be responsible for its, upkeep.
The bill has already passed the first reading and it's up for discussion tomorrow. How the law would be enforced and what the penalties would be are some of the topics up for discussion. We'll be sure to follow this bill and let you know what happens. Elisa Arevalo, KHON 2 News.